I'll show you how to put this logo in here. So I got this driver invention here with a handle, a golf ball on it, and he wants another logo, so we're going to put one down here in this area. So I've already, first thing I had to do is I had to put a plane on this surface. So this file came from a 3D scan. So if I show the lines, you can see all the, I guess they're like little patches, but what you want to do is you want to pick one of these faces that's about where you want to put it on, and then pick a point, and that's going to get it as good as you can. You want it more or less perpendicular to this surface. Well, you want the plane tangent, therefore the text will be perpendicular. Okay, so we've got that. That's plane 9. Now we're going to do a sketch here. And I had image of this driver, so where's my thing at? Here we go. And so right here, I made a block because I used that TSR on the other side. So it's easy, if you create a block from text, it's easier to bring it in. And then I have a sketch picture. So if I edit. All right, so because this photo has distortion as it is, and then you're also on a curved surface. So you're not going to match this perfectly, but it's going to be good enough. So the block is these letters already. And again, the block came from this right here. I saved these entities as a block. To do that, you would go Insert, I believe it's Tools, yeah, Block, and then Make. But anyways, we're working on sketch 29, so we're going to basically just have to trace this number 2 to get that in there. So we kind of go up here, go here, like that, like that. I do all the straight lines first, and then I'll add splines for the other ones. Let's go there, go there, and we'll go to about there. Okay. We have a couple more straight lines. We've got a straight line from here to here. All right, good. Got a straight line from here to here. Okay, good. Now these curves, I generally use splines for. And this is more of an art than a science, really. You kind of just eyeball it. And the more you do this, it kind of, it's like anything else, the better you get at it. Almost there. Do this here. This should be the last one. You want to make this tangent here, so I'm going to fix this because you don't want it moving. See, the black line means it can't move, and then I want to make this tangent. Now here, see these little things. These you can get it. So that's about tangent, anyways. But I'll just, there we go. Okay, so that's perfect. Now what we want to do is we want to cut this. We're going to exit this here. Click save because SolidWorks crashes every 5 minutes. Okay, so we have the sketch and we want to cut it into here because what we need to do is we need to copy these surfaces. So offset at 0. Put this back. So any surface that's underneath the letters, we need a copy. Shit. Oh, we don't need that. This should work. Okay. Now, I'm going to hide that. So we want to go here. Extrude cut. All right. Now, we need this. We probably could start it where it's at. I generally will start this a little bit up just to be safe. There you go. Because if part of this was below any of these surfaces, you'd have to cut it in two directions. All right, then we're going to go offset from surface. We want to go 1 millimeter into the thing. So there. Something's not working right. So because I have no preview, it's giving me an error of some sort. Let me try blind here. Yeah, see, I should have been getting that. So something's wrong with the surface where it's not letting me do it. Just do this temporarily here. All right. So yeah, see, that's not good because it's different. It's not showing all that, and it's different. We want this cut to be this consistent. I'm gonna try save again. I'm gonna try offsetting this in. See what happens. I suspect I'll get an error here. No, it worked. Okay, let's try cutting up to that surface then. Up to surface. Now it's hidden, so I have to pick it over here. Surface offset 13. Come on, let me do it. Okay, it won't let me do it that way. So I have to exit this. I will have to hide the body. Show that. No, I want to show that. What's going on here? Hide that. Show that. This doesn't make any sense. All right, hide. Show. All right, SolidWorks is not behaving. I'll just do it like this. Let me try this here. Up to surface. This is frustrating. I'm gonna have to close and reopen SolidWorks. It's developed an error. It's typical. Typical. Right. Save. All right. I'll reopen it. Where's it at? There, 8. It was this one here. Okay. See, it works now. It doesn't make any sense. This is the typical crap you have to deal with SolidWorks. All right, we'll try this again. Up to surface. It doesn't allow it. Don't know why. Why does it not allow it? end face cannot terminate. I'm going to try this. I think it has something to do with this cut here. No, that's not going to work. All right, so this is getting more complicated than I thought it would be. This cut that I had made earlier for this driver detail is causing a problem. So we need to go back into here more. All right, so now what we need to do is we need to offset all these surfaces before I cut that. Let's go 1. Always guesses the wrong way, so click that. And the problem is this is before my sketch, so I have to guess what area covers it. I think this is going to cover it. All right. All right. Let's press that. Let's try now. Offset 14 was the one, I think. So yeah, right here, surface offset 14. So go up to surface 14. No, that's not what I want. Nothing's ever easy, huh? Try it again this way. Shoot. I'm missing. I need to get this surface over here. So we need to go back. Offset 14, where are you? There you are. All right. Need a little bit more here. Need that one, maybe that one, maybe that one. And of course that didn't work. Let's just try this one and this one. Okay, we might have everything now. All right, I think it's going to work. Yes. Yes, it worked. I got a preview. Perfect. Perfect. All right. So it shows you how tricky this can be. This is just all comes from experience of knowing that, like this cut, for example, I knew it was going to be able to offset the surface. So that is perfect. And we can just do a quick measurement. See how it's a consistent depth? It should be 1 millimeter. Yeah, distance 1 millimeter. Yeah, and you know, it's easy. We can get rid of this actually. It's best not to leave this extra stuff in here because if you go change it later, you forget what that's for. So I'm going to rename this surface. All right, cut to surface for TSR2. All All right, cool. So that's how you cut the logo into a driver or any object on a complex surface.